Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, March 5th. What's going on from forexfactory.com? 8:30 we had unemployment claims which came in a little bit better than expected, 213 versus 215. That's not a bad thing. Import prices on the other hand were up 0.2%, which was less than expected but still positive, which means we still have inflation. Preliminary non-farm productivity quarter over quarter was up to 2.8% versus 1.9 percent. I guess that's a good thing. I can't figure out why they've got that in red. But anyway, preliminary unit labor cost quarter over quarter was 2.8% versus an expectation of 2.0. That is bad. Again, labor costs going up means inflation. So yeah, inflation is certainly still here. 10:30, we have natural gas storage. At 12 o'clock, we have the ECB President Lungardi speaking. And then at 1 p.m., FOMC member Bowman speaks. At 7 p.m., FOMC member Goolsbee speaks. And that is it for the day. So not a lot going on news-wise. However, we still have the Iran situation going on, and it continues to be a major driver of the volatility in the markets. Looking at the daily chart, you can see these got big, giant bars, intraday, large ranges, well above average. You can see that we are currently gapping down. Yesterday, we made an attempt to retest the day before yesterday's high, unable to do that. Actually, we went through it, but still below the two upper moving averages, below the trend line here. I would say that short term, we are sideways. Medium term, we're also sideways. And long term, we are still up because we're above the 200-day moving average. Volume dropped back down to average. Yesterday is what it is. Where could we go? We're gapping down. If we run to the upside, I think this higher moving average is in play. That would be around 39.31. If we break through the bottom overnight low, I think we can come back down to this low volume node at 68.02. That's kind of the bigger picture view. Now, looking at the intraday inventory, you can see that we had a positive price action on negative inventory. And this is on a Wednesday. I'm not sure what to make of this other than maybe we've come all the way back from 67.20-ish all the way back to 68.73. That's a pretty good move. Maybe we got some profit taking going on right here. Not sure what to make of this other than market has bounced. I'm going to the sidelines for Thursday and Friday and maybe the weekend. That would make sense, at least psychology wise. Looking at the overnight action, 60 points. So less than yesterday, but still almost 3 times average. So where do we have support and resistance? Obviously, the overnight low is 68.40-ish. Support 68.27, 68.20, 6800 would be your support numbers. Resistance, got a lot of confluence here around the 68.80 area. Also, I would say this 6900, obviously the big full number. Jump up to 69.20, a little bit of confluence around 69.35. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 52.4% chance the market will be up. So a slight positive bias from the Stock Trader's Almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading, and remember to subscribe and like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.